Hi everyone. Today I'm going to plant cosmos. They are daisy-like flowers, bloom in mid-spring through fall. They come in various colors: pink, maroon, red, orange, white, and yellow. They prefer well-draining soil and not so rich as it would produce more foliage than blooms. They thrive in full sun and can even tolerate dry weather. These are the varieties I'm going to plant: the lemonade, Seychelles mixed colors, and the maroon. Alfalfa pellets. Then we'll put in some fertilizer. You may need to stake the plants as they can grow really tall. If you cut the flowers when they first open, the flowers last more than a week in the water. Don't forget to strip the leaves before putting them in a vase. You can direct sow the seeds outdoors, 1/4 inch deep once the danger of frost has passed. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, like and share my videos. Have a wonderful day.